apologize for the inconvenience, but due to COVID-19, this park is currently closed.
Some local police officers are switching to new technology to break up crowds. They are using drones. News 6's Lauren Korn shows us how they are getting results.
Due to COVID-19, this park is currently closed.
What we're doing here at this department is trying to leverage the technology that's out there and make it fit into this mold that is COVID-19.
Daytona Beach police are now using 2 loaner drones equipped with loudspeakers.
We apologize for the inconvenience.
Thanks to DJI, a drone company with a disaster relief program. And these useful tools that Sergeant Tim Ehrenkopfer says helps disperse crowds and keep people out of city parks that are now closed.
Reducing the officer having to go out there, walk into the park property, walk into a crowd of people, share those drones back and forth just to deliver a message that the park's closed, don't be in here.
The department showing drone footage from one of its 30 missions over the last week. The video doesn't include sound, but it does show people complying at Derbyshire Park. The department hopes the 2 loaner drones will officially become theirs once the program expires, saying it's another protective layer for an officer's safety.
This park is currently closed.
In Daytona Beach, Lauren Korn, Getting Results, News 6.
Police will be watching from above as the crackdown on public gatherings becomes even tougher tonight. Drones are being deployed in Perth as more activities are banned.
They're the eyes and voices in the sky.
Social distancing is critical.
Like something out of a science fiction movie, but this is our new reality. Police drones breaking up groups of more than 2.
These drones will be used at parks and other places where people congregate and people are not adhering to the social distancing rules.
The drone fleet is another weapon to protect frontline police and us from exposure to COVID-19.
Thank you. Your actions are saving lives. You must stay home. Please follow the government rules at this time. You must stay home. Only be outside for food, for health reasons, for exercise, alone or with members of your household, or if you're an essential key worker. Se recomienda que eviten salir a la vía pública solamente. Les habla Policía Montes cuando sea necesario. Que permanezcan dentro de su domicilio.